right, good afternoon, everybody. Here is another shop or boutique from my vintage 1980s Barbie collection. It comes with 3 backdrops that have shelves and a counter here. It comes with these little shoe boxes. They are plastic and they do open, so you can put little shoes. And it says Mattel 1988, and they fit on the shelves. It also comes with this little suitcase here that opens. Has 2 seats here, everything's together. A little foot stool to try shoes on like a shoe store would have. There's 2 pocketbooks. There's a shell pocketbook, plastic, and it does open if I can get it. It also comes with a second purse that's just molded plastic with stickers, and it does open again, so you can put some tiny items in there, I guess. It also comes with a little stand. It came with a pink hat and a mint green hat, and it also comes with this little foot sizer for shoes. So this has been in the attic for quite some time. A little dirty, shelves are a little wonky, cardboard could use some straightening out, but that's going to be part of the plan in my restoration journey. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and please join me for part 2 after I clean it up. I plan on doing some styling with it and using my Barbies with it. It'll be kind of fun. So thanks again. Bye guys.